the ultimate guide to iOS, tips, tricks, and hidden features. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about iOS, the operating system that powers all of Apple's iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touches. Whether you're a seasoned iOS user or a newcomer to the platform, we're going to share some tips, tricks, and hidden features that you might not know about. Part 1. Getting to know iOS. First things first, let's take a quick tour of iOS. iOS is Apple's mobile operating system that's designed to be simple, intuitive, and easy to use. It's packed with features that make it one of the most powerful and versatile mobile platforms on the market. Part 2. Customizing your iOS experience. Did you know that you can customize your iOS experience to suit your needs and preferences? From changing your wallpaper and creating custom ringtones to tweaking your notification settings and creating custom app icons, there are endless ways to make your iOS device truly your own. Part 3. Mastering iOS gestures. One of the best things about iOS is its intuitive and fluid gesture-based interface. With just a swipe, pinch, or tap, you can do everything from opening an app to multitasking and even accessing Siri. In this section, we'll show you some of the most useful and time-saving iOS gestures. Part 4. Exploring hidden iOS features. iOS is packed with hidden features and settings that most users never even know exist. From the ability to scan documents using your camera to enabling a hidden trackpad mode, there are some seriously cool hidden features that you can unlock with just a few taps. Part 5. Keeping your iOS device secure. Finally, we'll talk about some essential tips for keeping your iOS device secure. With so much personal information stored on our mobile devices, it's more important than ever to protect your iOS device from hacks, malware, and other threats. Conclusion. Well, there you have it, folks, our ultimate guide to iOS. We hope you found these tips, tricks, and hidden features useful. And if you have any of your own iOS tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.